Hi, this is Chantal from the Purring Cat Studio, and welcome to my channel. So this will be a very quick video. I just thought it would be nice for me to show you this journal, which is in my Etsy shop, and I will link it in my description box. And this one is called, I think I named it Home Sweet Home Journal. Home Sweet Home Journal. And like I said, it is in my Etsy shop. So let's start. So, like all my other journals, or fairly all my journals, it is a very hard cover, and it is stitched in. Signature is stitched in, and I cover the back so we don't see the stitches. And it also is covered with fabric and very heavy cardstock, so it makes it very solid, as you can hear when I knock on it, because there's cardstock on top and inside, as well as this was probably made with maybe a cereal box or packaging of some sort, which I covered with fabric. I also put metal corners on my journals so they resist better to all the manipulation the journal will go through. And so here we go. So I added these beautiful little cards here, and I will also link the paper I used. These are kits that I purchased. I will try and remember what company this came from. I have it somewhere, but I don't want to look for it right now, so you can find it in the description box. And here we go. So right from the start, you have a pocket. You could add a lot more, obviously, in this pocket. It can contain a lot, but I already put a nice card right there to start. And like in all my other journals, I try and leave a lot of space for writing, or for you to be able to glue pictures, and maybe with a little clip of some sort you can clip things to the journals. This journal and all my other journals is made for you to make it your own. That is the goal of my journal. And I put a lot of cards for writing, and I try and always show different types of papers. This one I made with stamps, and I love to add embellishment in most of my journals, but I also want to leave a lot of space for writing, so I try not to decorate each page, although it's really hard. And this is just a little gold chain, tassel like thing. Also adds a lot of interest and things to touch and hold, and it's really nice. Another journaling spot here, and again, you can add a lot more to this pocket. It has a lot more space. More journaling pages, more journaling card hidden in this belly band right here. A lot. This is coffee stained paper that I put in there and embellish, and as you can see, this is the stitched binding. Another spot to hide some cards. And a lot of writing space. There we go. I really like it. I added some lace here and another little tassel, again for interest and texture and beauty. Sunflowers. This paper I really love. You can see the grain. It's really beautiful, beautiful paper. And yeah, so you can glue your own stuff in there. That's another belly band with other journaling spot. I made this tiny little booklet, if you will, for you to write in. And there you have it. This is the back. And I put an eyelet so that whenever you open with the ribbon. It resists, again, you know, the wear and tear. And there you have it. This is the Home Sweet Home Journal. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. I will make sure to link as many things as possible, although I think this is really from one kit and the rest is paper that I've gathered and made myself. And I will link also my Etsy shop. So once again, thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Bye-bye.